Most people don't realize this, but your voice can actually help you heal your nervous system. When you hum or chant or use vocal toning, the vibration travels through the body and can help calm the mind, balance your emotions, and help you to release the stored stress or trauma that's in the body. Your voice isn't just for communication. It's a powerful healing instrument. I've personally used singing and toning as a form of healing for more than 30 years. And when I bring my voice into sound healing sessions, it's often the part that people feel most deeply. When we learn to work with the voice intentionally, we can begin to regulate the nervous system, release emotional blocks, open the throat chakra, and reconnect with authentic expression and confidence. If you're curious about learning how to use your own voice as medicine, please let me know in the comments below or click the link down below. Pilot members are helping me to create this course and also receive the full course and support in the community. This pilot is meant to be a lot of fun. We'll use movement, we'll massage the face, we'll get the voice ready and the body ready as the healing instrument. We may laugh, we may cry, but it's going to be an exciting, transformative series of 4 live classes. As we co-create this course together, and I receive all of your feedback and your questions, and the course is created, you receive the full course in the community and receive support on top of that. So then you can go back and retake the course in shorter steps. And I hope to see you on the other side. It's something I'm very excited about and I've wanted to create for a very long time. Blessings to you.